If you need to request a refund from Booking.com, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review your booking details. Check your booking confirmation email for the cancellation policy and refund eligibility. This will help you understand if you qualify for a refund based on the terms of your reservation. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the Booking.com website or app and log into your account using your credentials. If you made the booking as a guest, use the Manage Booking option with your confirmation number. Step 3. Find your reservation. Navigate to the My Booking section to locate the reservation for which you want a refund. Click on the booking to view the details and options available. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. If your booking is eligible for a refund, select the option to cancel your reservation. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process, ensuring you confirm any refund details provided. Step 5. Contact customer service if necessary. If you encountered issues or have questions about your refund, reach out to Booking.com's customer service. Use the contact options available on their website or app for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Booking.com. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.